chaos theory. It sounds alien to a lot of us, and it could sound familiar to a few of us. You might also think, why does someone have to write a theory on chaos? And it's called chaos for a reason. Well, there are a lot of chaos or irregular patterns that are happening around us, and we might have noticed it since our childhood, like let's say rolling of the dice or shape of the corals. And more fascinating is, you might have thought of something, it could be a movie or it could be your favorite delicacy that you're thinking about, and the same movie get telecasted on TV maybe in a couple of days or in the same week as well. And everybody or every place you go to, people talk about the delicacy you're thinking, and everything related to that pops up. And I'm not talking about the Google ads. This is something you think inside your head and it happens in real life and you're experiencing it real time. These are just little examples to give you an idea of what chaos theory or butterfly effect is. Like I said in one of our videos, everything that we do is directly or indirectly affecting the people we know or might not know as well. This is exactly what butterfly effect is. Butterfly effect is the underlying principle of chaos theory. Chaos theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with studying irregular patterns and predicting the bigger difference it makes in the end result. So any little change made to anything in the beginning stage or the initial stage could result in a very vast difference that makes in the final result. Let's take a simple example in mathematics. Let's take the number 10 and divide it by 3. You would get 3.33 recurring decimal. So in basic math, when we get a number after the decimal point lesser than 5, we would reduce it to the previous number. And if it's greater than 5, we would push it to the next number. So in this case, 3.333 is lesser than 5, we make it 3.0. And when we multiply that with 3, it gives you an end result of 9. And this is the simplest way I can tell you guys that changing something in the beginning stage could result in a bigger difference in the final result. So we made the change in the initial number, that is 3.33 was turned into 3, and the final result is 9, which was not our dividend in the initial stage. We had 10. Now let's assume this in a bigger picture. Meteorologists predict weather based on the atmosphere, like pressure, temperature, and density of air and moist in the air as well. Let's say they took a prediction and gave you a result or a prediction as it's going to be a sunny day. You're all set to go to a vacation, or let's say you're going out with a family or friends on a picnic. Due to some pressure difference that happens somewhere, the clouds become heavier than expected, and the sunny day, predicted sunny day, turns out to be a rainy day. All your plans are messed up. You are not set for the day. This is one of the reasons why frequent weather checks are conducted and different reports generated time to time to make sure that we have the accurate weather report. When butterfly effect was found and explained by Edward Lorenz, this is how he put it across, or let's say this is how he framed the theory. A tiny flap of a butterfly wing in Chicago could end up in a tornado in Tokyo. Now I know that sounds very impractical, but that's the simplest way he could explain how a smaller change done by something could end up in a bigger result elsewhere. Coming to think about it, this also brings us to another theory or another logic that we apply to our day-to-day life. Karma. Karma is really simple. You reap what you sow, you get what you give. So, though butterfly effect has nothing to do with karma, I can somehow relate them both. Now coming back to chaos theory. It was mainly started, or the research or the study was started to understand the irregular patterns and predict the end result beforehand. Like we took an example of rolling of the dice in the beginning of this video. So let's say you are able to predict the angle the dice is going to roll in, and the atmospheric pressure and the surface it's going to land in, and the speed that it is rolled in. The theory is that you can predict the number that dice is going to roll on. There are patterns all around us. We have simple patterns and there are complex patterns as well. And all it takes for us to understand is a little bit of interest and a lot of concentration, and I'm sure we can figure it out all by ourselves. Beware of your actions, as there are consequences to all of them. Apply this to your real life and you'll automatically start seeing the difference yourself. If you want me to explain similar videos, make sure you leave a comment below or send me a message on my Insta or Facebook. I've added the link in the description. To continue watching similar videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. With that said, I'm Manish, this is Mr.6'2. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.